whoa! Okay, you've got to hold on tighter.
Oh, sorry.
Don't apologize. The truth is, obviously, I'm glad you're here. Astrid!
What took you so long?
Oh, thanks, Thor. Obviously, I can't even imagine what this must be like for you.
What if this is it, Hiccup? What if the rest of my life is like this? What then?
Then we'll deal with it. Just because you can't see doesn't mean you're helpless. You don't think we can handle this? I am with you. There will always be a Hiccup and Astrid. Always. To my mother. Astrid, you're a part of our family. I hope you always will be. Astrid, you got me the greatest gift in the world. You just being here with me. It's the only gift I need. Okay, this guy's gotta go. Now! Astrid, are you...
Looking at you? Seems like it.
Thank you, Goofy. Just rest. We're gonna beat this. I promise you, Astrid. You need to stay with us. I can't imagine a world without you in it.
I can't imagine a world without you in it either.
I love you, Astrid Hofferson, with everything I have, and I always will.
We don't have to be like them. I mean, we have a different kind of...